So welcome back to my channel. Let's make Oreo ice cream. Now basically you just need Oreos. I couldn't wait to start this video. I had started chewing my Oreos, but you need Oreos, vanilla essence or any other essence that you have, whipping cream. This is actually whipping powder. I get so many questions about this whipping powder. I get it in my local shop, my local market, so that's the name. If you want, you can pause it and then check the name, and then some condensed milk. It's simple and it's delicious. You're just going to combine all these ingredients and then your ice cream is ready. I have a full video on how I make my whipping cream from whipping powder, so you can check that video up. I'll link it. Okay, good news or fun news. I've created a lifestyle content, guys. Like, this content is basically different from my cooking content. I show you my day-to-day activities, what I do in my day. So I'll link that channel also up here for you to check it out. Please do want to subscribe to that channel if you want to see more of me. So in a large mixing bowl, I've added 3.5 cups of my whipping powder, and then into that I added 1.5 cups of water into this. I'm going to mix this around for about 2 to 3 minutes till everything is well incorporated. For me, I added about 1.5 cups of condensed milk, and for me after that I thought it was too much because it was really too sweet, because the whipping powder already had some content of powdered sugar in it. So I think I added way too much condensed milk, so you can reduce it by just adding just 1 cup of condensed milk or even a half cup of condensed milk. And that's it, guys. Our ice cream is ready. Like, that's it. I'm sure you didn't know that ice cream was this easy to make, but it is actually easy to make. So I'm just going to divide this into my small tiny bowls that I got. Yeah, so you see. Oh, I totally forgot. I added about a pinch of vanilla essence. Actually, mine was finished, so I just added everything that I had in it. I'm just going to give this a stir, make sure that everything is well incorporated. So now it's time for me to add my Oreos. I'm just going to mash them, or smash them if you say, and then I'll go ahead to add them into my ice cream. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for always subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, for commenting. You guys are the best. I really can't thank you guys enough. So your ice cream is done. You can pour everything into a large bowl and then keep it in the refrigerator or the freezer. But for me, I just divided into small tiny bowls, because if I make them into a large bowl, ever sometime I know my brother, so I'm just going to divide it. Everybody will have 1 or 2 or however it is. And then if you know me, you know I love Oreos. So in as much as I've added Oreos to it, I'm still going to add some Oreos to top my ice cream after. This is really optional. It's just me and my love for Oreos. So yeah. So I'm just going to cover this, and this can stay in the freezer for about 3 hours, and it's going to get the perfect ice cream shape. But I left mine in the freezer overnight, and gosh, was it hard. It was so difficult for me to open the bowl, but I finally opened it and my ice cream was so frozen. But aside that, it was really super delicious. I like how crunchy the Oreo were. It was so crunchy. I felt like I was eating milkshake, or frozen milkshake I should say. But anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.